Yeah, I had a bitch text me the other day. Jeffrey, could you shave? Bitch, I don't shave. I always had bitches too. I've been having bitches for years. I've been fucking bitches' mamas for years. Aunties, cousins, grandma, great grandma. I know a couple times I done fucked the whole motherfucking family tree. Just the whole family tree. Fuck the shit out them bitches too. Hell yeah. I got two bitches fixing me barbecue right now. On God. Baby now. Yeah, but shit. I'm coolin'. You know what I mean? I'm an Aquarius. And I got a brother named Darius.